In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load a family into Revit using the Insert tab. If you're new to Revit, a family is a reusable piece of content, like a door, window, piece of furniture, or a light fixture that you can add to your project. Loading a family brings that content into your current model so it's ready to use. Everything we need to do this lives on the Insert tab, which is Revit's home for bringing in external content and managing linked resources. Start by heading to the Insert tab along the top of the Revit interface. This is where Revit keeps all the tools for bringing in content from outside your current file. Among these tools, you'll find the option called Load Family. Go ahead and click Load Family. The moment you do, Revit opens a file browser window, allowing you to navigate to the family you want to bring in. In the file browser, browse to the .rfa file you need. RFA is the standard Revit family format. If you're not sure where to look, Revit's built-in libraries are a great place to start. They usually include well-organized categories like doors, windows, furniture, plumbing fixtures, and more. Depending on your installation, these libraries might be located in your Revit content folder. You can also use the search bar in the file dialog to quickly find a family by name, and it's helpful to pay attention to the category and family name so you're loading the right type of object for your project. Before you select the file, a quick tip: try to use families that match your Revit version to avoid compatibility issues, and consider the level of detail and file size. Lightweight families keep your project responsive, especially in larger models. Once you locate the correct .rfa, select the file and click Open. Revit will load the family into your project immediately. You won't see a big pop-up. Instead, the family becomes available inside your project so you can use it as needed. You can confirm it's there by checking the project browser under Families, where it will appear in its proper category with any types defined by the family. That's the entire process. Go to the Insert tab, choose Load Family, browse to the .rfa in the appropriate library or folder, select it, and click Open. From there, the family is part of your project and ready for use whenever you need it. If you're setting up standards, it's a good idea to maintain a clean library folder structure and clear naming conventions so you can find the right content fast. Thanks for watching, and now you know the quickest, most reliable way to load families into Revit.